A few days ago, right here, we achieved another world record. But this wasn't just about one drill. It was about the people who made that drill move 2,100 tons. And today, I'm meeting someone who played a huge part in making this possible. Patrick from the Technical University in Darmstadt. So, be honest, when you first heard the idea, did you think this was actually possible?
Yeah, well, at first it sounded really crazy, but technically crazy doesn't mean that it is impossible. And we brought a pump, a winch and a little control unit. The drill provides the force, the mechanism multiplies it, and we get this wheel into motion.
So, the principle is simple.
Yeah, in theory it's very simple. The drill powers the pump powers the winch, and the winch will set the wheel in motion.
But with a massive structure like this, there's no such thing as just a little movement, right?
Yeah, exactly. Every single detail mattered.
And what was the most critical moment?
The most critical moment was that we needed to set up enough pressure within the system to get this wheel into motion.
And then it actually moved.
Yeah, it actually moved, yeah. A small movement for the London eye, but a huge moment for engineering.
Okay, I can't believe you just said that. But hey, you did it and it was amazing, so yeah. Good job.
Thank you.